it's me Muskan Islam, came back with another lovely video which gonna be so interesting, and I hope you guys are fine and well. So let's begin the vlog. And today I'm going for boating, so be with me. And that was Otley town, which is so vintage and nice. I often come here for a visit. And here's the place where I'm gonna be doing boating. Just look at the view here a little bit. And here it started. And hello birdie. This place is really nice. And opposite of that place, there you can see there's lots of boats. These boats are parked over there. And here's a bridge where some people lock their love and throw the key into the water. And yep, that was quite interesting. And in case if you wanna come here, that boating place is at Otley. The scenery and the view, guys, amazing. And here I just came at other side for boating. And that place is really nice. And here's the boats. These boats are really nice. And the people who gonna give us access to the boats, they're not arrived yet. So as we came here a little bit earlier, so we're gonna visit other places as well. And here's a mini Niagara Falls. And guys, that park has nice waterfall as well. And I'm calling it mini Niagara Falls. And here I was walking and making fun, cause that day weather was really nice. And guys, just look at this. And as I told you guys, I call it mini Niagara Falls of West Yorkshire. Isn't it look like Niagara Falls? That's why I'm calling it. And I like to put different names of places. And yeah, that's what I like. And guys, just hear now the sound of that waterfall. The name of that park is Wharf Meadows Park, and that was the history of that park. And here I was seated and viewing that place. In here I was playing with the water and feeling that place. And here I was trying to get on that boats, and the people who will give us access to ride on these boats, they are not arrived yet, so we were waiting. So till then I'm taking pictures and videos here, but just look at this view, guys. And that day weather was really nice, that's why I was enjoying a lot. And finally we have a ride on a boat. And guys, just look at the view in front of me. And here I was drinking coffee. I was feeling like I'm living my dream life. That's really dreamy and magical place. Here is me. And guys, that day I was feeling so nice and pretty. I don't know I'm looking or not. So guys, you gotta tell me in my comment section how am I looking today. And just look at this, guys. I can touch the trees. And guys, I was really enjoying riding on boat. And just look at the view, guys. The view surrounding me was really nice and calm. And here I was playing with the water. That was quite fun. And just look at this, I can tear the trees. And here guys, I got stuck with the trees, so I was trying to get out from here. Finally I make it. That was quite fun. And here I was playing with the water again. That was so nice feeling. And now I gotta go back, so I'm heading towards back. And here's the bridge over that river. That's a really nice bridge. They gave us 2 hours for riding on boat, so we have almost finished our boat riding. And they're gonna give you life jacket as well. And before I was taking pictures and videos, that's why I didn't wear that. But after finishing all, I again wear that life jacket. And yep, we have finished our ride. That was really fun, guys. I will definitely come for boat ride again. And there's those people who give you access. And so yep guys, this is it. So don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe my channel. See you in another video. Till then, bye bye.